Yay, yay. Lay, lay.
Wow thing.
Lay, lay.
Wow thing.
I think I love you. You so silly, Coco. Say hi, everybody. Lay, lay. Don't turn it back on. Lay, lay. Lay, lay. Now she's still. Malaysia. Hi, pretty girl. Hi, pretty girl. Hi, baby. What you doing, sweetie? Hi, Peppa girl. Hi, baby. Who are you doing? Lele. What? What? Tell me about it. Hey. 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 Wait. Uncle Bray Bray. Hey, Uncle Braden. Hey, Uncle Braden. Where your head, bro?
Why is it dark on her arm?
What are you doing, Uncle Braden?
Why is it dark on her arm?
What are you doing, Uncle Braden?
How she was made, darker in her arm.
How she was made. That's funny. What are you doing, Uncle Braden?
She's a mixed breed like you. She's not always black.
So why isn't Shy tying you up?
I'm darker than her.
You darker than everybody. No, it's fine. You used to be light.
Used to be like my laser color.
When you be in that sun, shit, it's a wrap. You just get darker. Stop it. Get him, Asia. Get him, Asia. Get it, baby. Get him, baby. What are you doing? What are you doing? What? just trying to get some sleep again, huh?
Let the shirt go, Cal.
What you doing, pretty girl?
I always get her dress.
Do you? Andrew ain't gonna know how to get this boy the dress.
Come on.
Your own mama ain't gonna know how to get you dressed. You gotta go call Coco, try to come get me dressed. Mom don't know how to get me dressed.
You got worms.
Aw, that's a cute little dress.
Hold your neck up. That looks.
I ain't got no neck.
I know that. I'll tell she grow one.
Grow one. She'll grow one too. I grow a neck. I grow a neck. Pretty and purple. My Asia, my Asia. Say hi.